One of the things that we love about our EagleCap 1165 is the basement storage. One of the things that we're not particularly fond of is that it takes two hands to open up this basement storage door. Here at Stablecamper, we've designed a product that allows you to open up the basement door with one hand. It's easy to use, easy to install, and it's available for the EagleCap 1160, 1165, and 1200. All you'll need to complete the install is the dual latch kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll just need to remove these 4 screws. Now that we've removed the 4 screws from the latches, simply bolt the latch kit on using the 4 screws removed. Now that we have the latch kit installed, use the supplied shoulder bolts to tie the arms into the threaded portion of the latch. Now with all the hardware in place, the install is complete. You'll notice that the shoulder bolts are a little bit long. That way you can open it from the inside if you ever need to do that. And then you just have to test that it works. Okay. Now putting stuff away is easy.